Are you ready? Okay, now let's learn the new sound today, okay? First we have to revise the previously done sounds. Look here, which sound is this? Which sound is this? Okay, as in snail, as in sun, as in socks, okay? As in apple, as in apple, as in ant, as in alligator. Okay, now today we are going to learn the new sound. Are you ready? All of you sing along with me. Can you make the letter sound? We can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter T. This is the capital T. This one is the lowercase t. You know how the T looks like. Let's learn about the letter T sound. T, 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 t. Good job. Okay, now look here. Here is the letter T. T. This is the capital one and this one is the lowercase. Okay? T. And what's the sound of T? T. Repeat after me. T. 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 Okay, now who can tell me? What is this?
Teddy bear.
Yes, it's teddy bear. What is this? Teddy bear. And what is this?
Turtle.
T as in turtle. T as in turtle. And what is this? T as in tiger. T as in tiger. T as in tiger. Okay, now Jannat, show me what's in your hand. What is this? Teddy. Very good. Okay, now Shafaq, can you please show me your ponytail? Yes, T as in ponytail. T as in ponytail. Show me your ponytail. Show me. Yay, very nice. Okay, now Safiullah, what's in your hand?
Football.
Football. T as in football. T as in football. Very good. Okay, Yusuf, what are you wearing today? It's t-shirt. T-shirt. T as in t-shirt. Okay, Abdul Rafi, what are you wearing? Trouser. T as in trouser. Okay, stand up. Show me your trouser. It's the shirt. Show me the trouser. This one is trouser. Look. Here is the trouser, okay? Trouser. Okay, Aryan. Look at your t-shirt. There are so many stripes in it. Stripes. T as in stripes. T as in stripes. Okay, now Musa, what are you wearing today? Shirt and shorts. Show me your shorts. Show it to me. Stand over here. Yay! What are you wearing? Shorts. Okay, you stand up, Usman. Stand over here. Usman is also wearing shorts. Look at Usman. He's wearing shorts. Very good. And who is wearing boots today? Come and show me. Come on, Ismail. Yes, show me. Yes, you are also wearing boots. Yes. Boots. Okay, now kick the football. Yay, what is this? Football. Yes, very good. Okay, now look at your book. Okay, now here is your book. All of you revise after me, okay? Teddy. Teddy. Okay, now here is the net. And what is this? Football. Okay, now look at Biff. It's her ponytail. 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 Okay. Now look here. What she is wearing? She is wearing boots. 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 Okay. Now look here. What the Wilma is wearing? Shorts. 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 Look at here. Shorts. Shorts. Okay. Very nice. And he is wearing t-shirt. 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 Okay. Now look at here. It's the rooftop. 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 Okay. Now look here. What he is wearing? He is wearing trainers. 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 He is wearing trainers. Okay. Very good. And look at this girl. Look at the shirt. There are some stripes in it. Okay. Stripes. As in stripes. As in stripes. And look at here. What he is wearing? Trouser. 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 Okay, now all of you show me your teeth. All of you show me the teeth. As in teeth. Hanan, show me the teeth. E. Did you brush today? Huh? Ismail, did you brush today? Okay. Now Jannat, show me your teeth. Shafaq, show me the teeth. Hanan, sit on the chair. Okay. Now show me the teeth. E. Did you brush today?
Yes.
Did you brush today? Musa, did you brush today? Show me your teeth. E. Very nice. Umair, show me your teeth. Did you brush today? Okay, very nice. Okay, can you make the letter sound? Let me show you how. Which letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter T. This is the capital T and this one is the lowercase t. You know how the T looks like. Let's learn about the letter T sound. T t t t t t t t t t t t. What's the sound of the letter T? T t t. Very good.